this video, I'll explain the full CA journey from the entry-level foundation through intermediate to the final exams. The Chartered Accountancy course in India is divided into three main levels. The first level is the CA Foundation, the second is the CA Intermediate, and finally, the third level is the CA Final. Let's go through each one of these levels in detail as we move further. First up, the CA Foundation. This is where your CA journey begins. It has 4 papers. First is Principles and Practice of Accounting. This paper is all about understanding the basics of accounting and how transactions flow. You should practice journal entries, ledgers, and preparing final accounts until it feels natural. Solving past exam questions regularly will help you manage time and avoid mistakes. Next is Business Law. Business Correspondence and Reporting. Focus on learning the basics of company law and contract rules, but don't just memorize them. Practice writing clear letters, notices, and reports to improve communication skills. Understanding how to apply these concepts is more important than rote learning. Then comes business mathematics, logical reasoning, and statistics. Get comfortable with ratios, percentages, probability, and logical reasoning puzzles. Solve numerical problems daily to improve speed and accuracy. Regular practice will make even tricky questions manageable in the exam. Finally, business economics and business and commercial knowledge. Understand concepts like demand, supply, market structures, and types of business. Relate these ideas to real-life examples to make them stick. Focus on applications because exams test understanding, not just definitions. The foundation is designed to give you a solid base in commerce, and the pass mark is 40% in each paper and 50% aggregate. Think of it as the launch pad. Once you clear this, you're ready for the next big step, intermediate. Now, let's move to the CA Intermediate, which is a bit more challenging but extremely rewarding. It has 2 groups with 3 papers each. In Group 1, the first paper is Advanced Accounting. Here you study company accounts, partnership accounts, amalgamations, and consolidated financial statements. This paper is all about understanding how organizations present their finances and practicing a lot of numerical problems. The second paper is Corporate and Other Laws. You'll cover the Companies Act, contract law, sale of goods, and other important legislations. The key is not just memorizing the rules, but understanding how they apply to real business situations. The third paper is Taxation. This includes direct taxes like income tax and indirect taxes like GST. You learn to compute taxes, plan for deductions, and file returns, so practice is essential to gain confidence in real-world applications. In Group 2, the first paper is Cost and Management Accounting. You will study costing methods, budgeting, variance analysis, and decision-making techniques. This paper teaches you how to control costs and improve profitability in a business. The second paper is Auditing and Assurance. Here, you learn audit concepts, procedures, internal controls, verifications, and reporting. Balancing theory with practical understanding is key, and working on past case questions will help you a lot. The third paper is Financial Management and Strategic Management. In the financial management part, you cover capital budgeting, working capital, cost of capital, capital structure, and ratios. Strategic management focuses on business planning, competitive advantage, and long-term strategy. By this stage, your knowledge aligns with industry expectations, and clearing intermediate also allows you to start articleship, your first hands-on training as a CA student. Now, the final step is the CA Final. This is where you specialize and prove your expertise at the highest level. It also has 2 groups with 3 papers each. In Group 1, the first paper is Financial Reporting. You will study Advanced Accounting Standards, INDAS, and Consolidated Financial Statements for complex entities. The focus is on practical application, so practice and case studies are essential. Second paper is Advanced Financial Management. This paper covers mergers and acquisitions, derivatives, portfolio management, risk management, and corporate valuation. Strong numerical practice is needed to master it. The third paper is Advanced Auditing and Professional Ethics. Here you learn high-level auditing, including bank audits, insurance audits, forensic audits, and professional ethics. It's about applying audit knowledge in real business situations. In Group 2, the first paper is Direct Tax Laws and International Taxation. You'll study advanced income tax, corporate taxation, and cross-border taxation, and transfer pricing. Practice computations and stay updated with laws to perform well. The second paper is Indirect Tax Laws. This focuses on GST and customs, covering compliance, assessments, input-output credits, and refunds. Practical problem solving is key to scoring high. The third paper is the Multidisciplinary Case Study with Strategic Management. This paper tests your ability to combine knowledge from accounting, audit, finance, tax, and strategy. This paper tests your ability to combine knowledge from accounting, audit, finance, tax, and strategy to solve complex business problems. Once you clear the final, you become a chartered accountant, opening doors to high-paying roles in audit, taxation, consulting, finance, and even global positions. Starting salaries are usually 7 to 8 LP, and they grow significantly with experience. Now, if you feel CA is too difficult or you've attempted it twice and still haven't cleared, don't worry. There are alternative global certifications that start with salaries equal to or more than a CA professional and can fast-track your career in finance, accounting, and strategy. To explore these options, check out this video, CA Alternatives.